What up YouTube? So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I've always wanted to do this and I know it's been popular, was trending on YouTube, probably kind of late, but I still want to take part in it. So I am going to be following a Nikkitutorials tutorial because who other than to follow than the queen of YouTube makeup herself, Nikkitutorials. I decided to do a look that I normally would do, that I'm comfortable with doing, and it's right up my alley. So just sit back, enjoy. We're just gonna get right into it because I'm ready to put some makeup on this face of mine and hopefully have it looking just as good as Nikkitutorials. So if you want to see how this look turns out, then keep on watching. So we're just gonna get right into her tutorial. My face is moisturized and all of that greatness.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and welcome to Winter Wonder Week Day 4. It's the most wonderful week of the year. Ding, dong, ding. For Day 4 of Winter Wonder Week, I thought it was fun to just sit down and do a classic makeup tutorial. Sit down, do the makeup, get the glam, and today I wanted to focus on a very fun New Year's Eve look. Basically, today's video, I want to do Christine proud and just do a hollow smoky eye for New Year's Eve. I'm in space, I got hollow in my hands, and I am so excited for this look. So yeah, that is basically what today's video is going to be all about, is just sitting down, getting glam for New Year's Eve, and playing with hollow. All right, so today for priming, I want to be a true Instagram legend. So
okay, hold on. I have like nothing out. I'm not even ready for this. What the hell? But okay. Oh my gosh, not even ready. Sorry. One moment. Okay, so let's do this.
I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
I think she uses a brush to blend it out. Do I have a brush for this?
Oh, it's still going in my mouth.
Now it's going into my mouth. Oh, so I'm going to be using this one by Morphe. It's just like a tapered brush. I'm just going to use that to blend it in.
I don't know how they do it because it runs like crazy and then you're like, it runs into your mouth. Then to mattify my T-zone area, I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is by Cover Effects, the custom blot
So the product
drop.
she's using is purposely to prevent oils coming out from your T-zone or wherever else you may get oily on your face. I do not have that product, so we're just gonna skip it, okay? So let's keep going.
For foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation.
I obviously don't have that foundation. Hope to try it one day. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation. This is full coverage, and I'm gonna apply it with this Morphe Beauty Sponge. So she's just like going in with this foundation on the sponge. I've never done this before.
And as I'm doing my concealer, I do want to let you know.
I'm just gonna blend this out before we get to concealer real quick. So normally I can do 2 pumps of foundation and dot it all over my face, blend it out with the beauty sponge, and I'm pretty much good to go. So I feel like I'm putting on more foundation than I normally would. And also too, when I do makeup, especially a dramatic look like this, I do eyes first. So that's gonna be interesting. When we last ended that video, she was already applying concealer. I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape Light Medium Honey, which I'm pretty sure that's what she used. And I think she just applied it under her eyes and also like I think in her T-zone as well. I'm just gonna do concealer how I normally do it just because she didn't include that part, which I think is the point. The point of the video I think is the eyes mostly. So I'm just gonna conceal wherever I would normally conceal. So when applying concealer, I try not to like okay, this isn't my tutorial. Sorry. Who's calling me right now?
You knew this step was coming, huh? The Fit Me Loose powder in 05. I'm gonna set my under eyes with that.
I'm gonna use Laura Mercier instead.
First, I'm gonna prime my eyelid.
So for the eyes, I noticed that she already has her brows on. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick, and then I will come back and we will do the eyes. So let's see what she primes her lids with.
Using the Select Cover Up Concealer by MAC.
I'm gonna bring you guys in so we can get, you know, the same effect. I am gonna prime my lids with concealer as well, and I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape to do so because we don't have MAC.
This is not Soft Dark or Paint Pot, but I've been seeing a lot of UK artists use this as a primer.
And it looks like the concealer matches her skin tone. But anyways, we're just gonna keep going.
The first shade I'm going in with is by the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm applying this into the crease using a Zoeva 227 brush. And go ahead and buff and blend that out big.
So that looks like a bright orange. So no transition color. I'm going to be using this shade from Melt Cosmetics. This is in the color Radon, and it is a bright orange color. I don't know how I feel about this though, just because my concealer is not set. She pats it first. Oh my goodness. That is so bright. Is this the same orange that she used though?
Once that is applied, I go in with the yellow and apply it just a little bit above as a softer transition.
I want to make sure my edges are blended like Nikkitutorials. She's going in with the yellow shade. I am going to use this yellow shade by Sigma. It is in the name Shout. It is very yellow.
And doing so on a MAC 221 brush. And you definitely want to keep your brush very soft. So if at any point you are recreating this look and you're like, oh my God, what is this nonsense? Wait till the very end. Don't give up. Apply the lashes and boom, it pulls it together, honey.
Don't know how I feel about this just because I don't take my eyeshadow so high, but if you see in the video, she takes it super high. So I'm like practically blending the yellow shadow onto the orange just because I don't know where else to blend it.
Same palette, going in with the purple, and because we have applied the orange, the purple is not going to grip onto the lid as much as you would do it on a clean base.
I am using the purple from the Morphe 35B palette. Wow, can we focus? I'm going to be using that one right there.
So for this first portion, it's gonna look very, very messy, but then we're gonna fix it a couple moments later. I'm basically using the purple as the next transition step for the darkest color on the lid.
So this is why I don't do my face first, because of the fallout.
Okay, on the outer and inner corner of the lid, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I wanna go in with this shade right here.
Okay. So she's using a dark blue, not a black. So I'm still going to go into the Morphe 35B palette. I feel like this blue will match.
But because we have lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base, I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back for maximum coverage. Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, so it's just focused on the center.
She just goes in like straight in. I like to just do that just to make sure I'm applying it in the right place.
Still working with the Juvia's Magic palette and taking this shade right here to set the sides of the lid that we just carved out.
So she's using a silver eyeshadow. I am going to go into the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette. This is Jasmine by the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette.
So going on this outer portion here, blending it in.
Kind of run it over. Kind of blend the two together so it's not like too harsh. She didn't show this step, but hers is like super blended, and I'm not trying to, you know, not do this look any justice.
And then on that center portion, I'm applying a bit of the NYX Glitter Primer and then finally sticking the hollow glitter over top.
Okay, so I don't have that glitter that she's using, but I do have hollow glitter. This one is by NYX. As you can see the different colors, that's hollow. Applying it to the center, and this just helps the glitter to stick.
All right, quickly highlighting my brow bone.
Her brow bone right here with a gold shade. She doesn't say. So we're going to take this shade from the Lorac Pro palette. It's called Gold.
And highlighting my inner corners using an icy blue highlighter.
We got the gold highlight on the brow bone. Now in the inner corner, she used an icy blue. All these colors, Nikki. I wonder how many palettes, if any, she has sitting in front of her to complete this look.
Shade. Smoking out that waterline using a black coal. This is by Jouer. And setting that and smoking it out using a black shadow.
I am going to use this one by Melt Cosmetics in the shade Dark Matter to set.
All right, so it's been very long and intense, but you made it, and it's finally time for lashes. These are Doll Beauty lashes in Eva.
So now I need some lashes. So I don't know what these ones are called, but I'm gonna use them. Why does she look like she smoked out her lower lash line? Huh? I am just gonna take this brush that I used earlier. I'm just gonna smoke it out. This has some leftover orange eyeshadow.
Okay, so I think this is one of the most extravagant looks I've ever done in my entire...
She comes back with both eyes on. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back so we can do the full face. Eyes are on. Breakfast has been eaten. We are drinking orange juice now. Honestly, I am actually living for this, but let's continue.
This inspiration is taken from Mitchell and Stacey Marie, makeup artists on Instagram. Those two are like my biggest inspirations when it comes to makeup. Focusing on the face now. I'm gonna bronze. Next to Nothing powder in medium dark.
So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette. I am gonna take Malibu Soleil, which is this beautiful shade right here.
Brush. Doing it. Bronzing, bronzing, bronzing.
I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just kind of make all that seamless, because we all know her makeup is so seamless.
Contouring while we're at it. Creating cheekbones where there aren't. A nice glowy blush on those apples. I'm working it back.
Girl. So she has a small nose, so I'm going to contour mine.
And for my glow, I'm going to be taking this Doll Beauty Dull Light Highlighter in Shine, no, Like a Diamond. It's called Like a, do you see that? Like a Diamond.
So it looks pretty bright, blinding. I'm going to take Nicole Guerrero's palette with Anastasia, and I think I'm going to take the shade Forever Lit. This is blinding. She also applied it to the tip of the nose, and then she also has like some highlight right here.
And then to finish for lips, I think it's smartest to, because this is so intense, let's focus on this and not anything else except for the glow. So I'm gonna go for Nude Glossy Lips. So first I'm going in with the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream Liner.
So for me, I'm gonna go in with NYX Pencil in Stockholm. So it looks like she just lines the top of her lips.
And then for lipstick, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Balmain Urban Safari.
So I also have this Lippy Sticks by ColourPop. Oh yeah, that's like a peach nude. ColourPop Lil Lippy in the shade Cookie.
Nude lipstick. Balmain, 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 Balmain. I heard it's Balmain. And then over top to add some color and depth, this Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color oh no, it's a cosmic gloss in the color Spacesuit.
It doesn't really have any color to it, so I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Fenty Glow Gloss. I'm just gonna apply that on top.
And to seal the deal, some setting spray. And that, guys, is this magical New Year's Eve glitter Smokey Eye.
Okay, so here is the completed look. Me following a tutorial created by Nikkitutorials. I actually am obsessed with how it came out. I love dramatic, I love color, I love glitter, cut creases, halo eyes. This is like the whole shabam of me doing it on me. But following Nikki's tutorial was definitely something different. Doing her techniques and how she applies eyeshadow to her eyes is definitely not something I do, and I'm actually pretty stoked with how the look came out. There are a few things that I will definitely implement into my makeup process. There was a lot of cool tips and tricks and cool new applications I learned. Also working with, you know, what I have, not purchasing products just for this video. So it goes to show, if you do recreate a beauty vlogger's tutorial, you could definitely achieve the same look with products you have at home. You don't necessarily have to buy the same products that they used. But yeah, I'm so excited that I finally filmed a video like this. I hope to do more. I think it's kind of cool to learn how other people do things and kind of try to replicate it and see if you can possibly pull the same look that they created, and also like taking from them and kind of applying it for yourself to how it can better improve your makeup skills. I'm running out of breath. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. If you want to keep up with me on social media, I am on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Bryyykayyy. But seriously, let me know what you guys think down below. If you have any other makeup person's video you want me to recreate or follow a tutorial, you can leave those down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next one.